Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel Depop order. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Visit the Depop website or open the Depop app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or username. Locate the section labeled Purchases or Orders to view all recent purchases. Scroll through the list of purchases or orders to find the specific order you want to cancel. Look for an option to cancel the order, usually labeled as Cacel Order or Request Cancellation. Provide a reason for canceling if prompted, choosing from the provided options or entering a brief explanation. Confirm the cancellation request, which may require an additional confirmation to proceed. After submitting the request, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the cancellation is being processed. Check for a refund if you have already made a payment, as refunds typically take a few days to process and depend on the platform's policies and your payment method. So that's basically how to cancel Depop order. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!